Grandpa teaches English. Subscribe now.
I work in a big office. I work in a big office.
I like my new job. I like my new job. I like my new job.
I use my computer every day. I use my computer every day.
I learn new skills fast. I learn new skills fast.
I have a good boss. I have a good boss.
I help my team at work. I help my team at work.
I reach my work goals. I reach my work goals.
I have a great career. I have a great career. I have a great career. I am happy with my job. I am happy with my job.
I work hard for my dream. I work hard for my dream.
I am always on time. I am always on time.
I help my friends at work. I help my friends at work. I learn from my mistakes. I learn from my mistakes. I wear nice clothes for work. I wear nice clothes for work.
I stay calm at work. I stay calm at work.
I listen to my boss. I listen to my boss. I want a big job. I want a big job. I am honest at my job. I am honest at my job. I have many new ideas. I have many new ideas. I am proud of my career. I am proud of my career. I like my work every day. I like my work every day.
I fix hard problems. I fix hard problems.
I am proud of my career. I am proud of my career. I respect my boss. I respect my boss.
I take a short break. I take a short break.